I'm Ahmed Mujtaba. I work with LotusWorks as the reliability subject matter expert. I primarily work with the technical services team, support clients across various sites such as the semicon, pharmaceutical, and data centers. I specialize in asset management, reliability case studies, predictive maintenance, and asset performance optimization. A typical day basically involves reviewing asset data using different analysis techniques such as vibration analysis, FMEA, and other such techniques, and then collaborating with different teams across sites for root cause investigations and identifying opportunities for any reliability and performance enhancements. I spend also a lot of time developing recommendations and reports that fit into the client's maintenance strategies. When it comes to helping the clients with their reliability projects, LotusWorks basically believes in actually partnering with the clients. So we like to have a holistic approach, and we want to deliver solutions from end to end. What we start with is obviously understanding the challenges and the problems and the needs that the client might have. That involves basically analyzing the data through various stakeholder engagements and site assessments. So once we have that figured out, then we go towards tailoring the solutions that are best suited for their needs. And finally, we also help them implement those solutions and track performance results as well to make sure that it is sustainable and not just a short-term fix. The reliability engineering is equally important across all sectors, but it also comes down to the circumstances or the environment you're in. Reliability engineering is from end to end. In every stage of the asset's life, you can take reliability initiatives to extend the life cycle as well, enhance performance. So it's basically from end to end. Quality assurance is built in every layer of a reliability services program. So whether it be data collection, analysis, or even reporting, we follow strict standards to make sure that all of our recommendations are accurate, traceable, and actionable. So for us, quality assurance is just not a checkbox. It's actually a mindset that we need to develop and maintain the trust with our clients. What I enjoy most about my job is having a go at real-world engineering problems. From day to day, it's like solving a new challenge every day. It not only pushes you to learn new things all the time, but keeps things interesting as well.